So why should you study discrete math? Well, this begs a larger question that we should approach first. Why study mathematics? Well, each math course you take in college increases your average salary by around $1,000 per year. Well, that's a silly reason, but one that might actually appeal to some people. Most people should take math courses because they help you solve problems. Ironically, most problems in the real world are discrete math problems. That's ironic because most classes you take in either college or even high school have to do with mathematics that you probably won't use. But don't tell any of my other students in my other classes that I said that because, well, they might not want to finish the course. In fact, I would argue, though, that discrete math should be the focus of college mathematics instead of calculus and differential equations and linear algebra. Those topics are important too, but when it comes to solving tough problems, derivatives and vector calculus probably won't help you. When you are constructing a program in computer science, you might not need to know the mean value theorem from calculus. You might just need to be good at problem solving. You might just need to be good at making programs efficiently. That's where discrete math comes in. Discrete math will help you problem solve. If you can think of a puzzle or a tough challenge, that's almost always a discrete math problem. So let me emphasize this point. You should take discrete math because it will help you solve real-life problems and puzzles. Hey everyone, real quick, I just want to mention that this video is a part of a whole course that I made. You can find a link to this entire course in the description below and make sure to click on that subscribe button.